Let's say we want to target the all over Australia, and then in the location option, just go up here in a presence. Don't go for the interest or the people who have shown interest in the location you are targeting. Okay, language, we're gonna keep it as simple, English. In the more setting up here, ad rotation, we don't want to optimize, we want to give the equal opportunity for all the ad copy. And then up here, add schedule day, so it's saying all day. So what we want to do, we don't want to show our ad 24 hours, so we are going for the, let's say, so we showing our ad Monday to Friday from 9 a.m to 10 p.m. So it's totally up to you. If you want to run it 24 hours, that's totally up to you. Okay, and the more setting, so we're not gonna touch anything up here. The another thing is start and end date. So normally I don't put any end date in here, but if you want to be on the safe side, you can choose the, let's say you want to run this campaign display for 2 months, then you can choose the 2 month date. Otherwise, we normally check the campaign very frequently, so we just leave the date open. Okay, and the devices we don't want to target. So yep, so we keeping everything else the same. And if you talk about the content or you want to opt out from these particular audience, you can do that, but we're gonna keep it as it is.